how to create a customer invoice in Netsuite. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a customer invoice in Netsuite. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to create a customer invoice in Netsuite, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Navigate to the invoice creation section. Go to billing, then sales, and then create invoices in Netsuite. Step 2. Complete the primary information. Choose the desired invoice form in the customer form field. Enter the invoice number, customer name, and project details. Specify the start date, end date, and due date. Add the customer purchase order PO number in the PO field. Create a memo to identify the invoice. Step 3. Add sales information. Select the sales representative. Choose the opportunity under the Opportunity tab. Check Exclude Commissions if applicable. Select the lead source and edit the partner details. Step 4. Classify the invoice. Go to the Classification section and select the appropriate department, class, or location. So that's how you can create a customer invoice in NetSuite. That's all for this video.